Amana dishwashers are manufactured by Whirlpool Corporation and represent a popular choice in the mid-range appliance market. Understanding how to properly reset your Amana dishwasher is essential knowledge that can save you both time and money. Reset procedures can resolve 70 to 80% of common operational issues without requiring a service call. This means that most dishwasher problems you encounter can be fixed right at home using simple reset techniques. There are 3 primary reset methods for Amana dishwashers. Each method addresses different types of issues and has varying success rates depending on the problem you're experiencing. The hard reset, also known as a power cycle, is the most effective method for resolving operational issues. This involves completely disconnecting power to the dishwasher for 5 to 10 minutes by either unplugging the unit or turning off the circuit breaker. The control panel reset involves pressing specific button combinations on your dishwasher's control panel. The most common method is to press and hold the start, resume, and cancel buttons simultaneously for 3 to 5 seconds until the control panel lights cycle. The door reset procedure is specifically designed for situations when your dishwasher stops mid-cycle. This simple method involves opening the dishwasher door, waiting 3 seconds, closing the door, and then pressing the Start Resume button to continue the cycle. Modern Amana dishwashers from 2023 to 2025 may feature Wi-Fi connectivity and smartphone app controls. However, the fundamental reset procedures remain the same across all models, ensuring these techniques will work regardless of your dishwasher's age or smart features. When your Amana dishwasher displays error codes, a reset is often the first solution. Common error codes include F1 through F9 for sensor malfunctions, F6E4 for water supply issues, F7E1 for heating element problems, and F8E4 for slow drain conditions. The hard reset is the most effective method, resolving 70 to 80% of common issues. First, disconnect the power by unplugging the unit or turning off the circuit breaker. Wait 10 minutes for a complete power cycle, then restore power. For control panel issues, use button combinations. Press and hold Start, Resume plus Cancel buttons simultaneously for 3 to 5 seconds. Alternatively, hold Heated Dry plus Normal Wash buttons for 3 seconds. The control panel lights will cycle to confirm the reset. When the dishwasher stops mid-cycle, use the door reset procedure. Open the door, wait 3 seconds, close the door, then press Start, Resume. This resets the cycle interruption sensors. Let's examine specific troubleshooting cases. For F6E4 water supply errors, perform a hard reset, check water connections, then do a control panel reset. This resolves 85% of cases without a service call. For mid-cycle stopping issues, start with the door reset procedure. If that fails, perform a hard reset and check for spray arm blockages. This typically resolves the problem within 15 to 20 minutes. For unresponsive control panels, especially on 2022 to 2024 touch control models, try a 24-hour power disconnection. This complete system reset has a 90% success rate for non-hardware failures. Appliance repair experts report that 60% of Amana dishwasher service calls can be resolved with proper reset procedures. However, seek professional help if reset attempts fail after 3 tries, or if you notice hardware damage, water leakage, or electrical issues.